Have you ever felt that you need a second pair of hands to create a memorable event? Or do you need help with structuring and timing? And at the same time, you want to be more visible in the international environment? Then listen. LieponEvent is a fresh startup based in Stockholm, inspired by the personal long-term event and project management experience, in combination with my ambition and dream. That is where my work and heart get along. The company offers 3 services in the event management area, where every event is considered as a project, and it employs project management tools. Moreover, it can represent your company in an international exhibition or fair. The services can be delivered in any European country in 3 languages. All the communication flow will be handled by me. Forget a mess of questions, emails, or phone calls. In that matter, you can save your time and energy, and you can focus on more significant tasks at your work. Meanwhile, I look for cost-optimized solutions for your ordered service. Are you already planning a corporate event or wish to be outstanding in an exhibition this year? Then this is time to keep the ball rolling.